Welcome to the React Recipe course by Pack Publishing. My name is Diego Muraciole and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I've been working with React on Flask applications for almost 3 years, and I also wrote some open source projects related with React that you can find in my GitHub account. You also have my Twitter account. In case you have any questions or want to talk about something, you can reach me there. As a software developer, I'm obsessed about good programming practices and writing LLR code, and I will try to pay special attention to those points throughout the course. So let's take a look at the course overview. There are many good tutorials out there about React, but most of them lack on covering how to build an entire project with React. They also lack on talking about good practices and writing code in a maintainable way. That's why I decided to run this course. In this course, I've gathered all the techniques and good practices I learned throughout these years. This course is for developers who are competent with JavaScript and are looking to include React development workflow. If you know React already, don't worry, you will find in this course many useful tips and good practices that you can use in your daily basis. At the end of the course, it's expected to you to have a fully functional and tested React application that you have built on your own, have a basic understanding of what React internals are and how they work in order to know better how to use React, and also see different approaches for solving one problem. This will make you gain critical eye to choose from one tool from another in each scenario that you may face in the future. So, what will you learn? First, we are going to talk about how to structure a scalable React application. Then, we are going to move forward into writing real React code. The third section is about styling components. We're going to compare different approaches, and we're going to use one called functional CSS. Then we're going to talk about routing. We're going to create views and navigate through them inside our React application. Last but not least, we're going to talk about testing, which is not the most popular subject in web development, but it's also very important.